everybody. Today I have this Pokeball, and today we're gonna learn how to build some things. Okay. Well, let's see what's in the egg. Okay, let's throw this away. That felt weird. Whoopsie! Okay, so first we're gonna open these people. This is a long bag. There's 3 Lego people. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have some long pieces. Okay, let's see that down. So, the first person we're gonna make is Meowth. I dropped a hand. Okay. So let's get to the next person. Oh, wait. We forgot his hair. Here. Ah! This is who we got. And this is what he's going to look like. And now we need the... Over there's my brother Elliot. Okay, I'm going to go back over here and put his head on. And then we got him! Ah! Okay, so let's show him your face. Okay, it's pretty blurry, so let's already put him here. And next person. We only have 1 suit left, so let's do this quick. Then we can get to the other person. Done. Here we go. So now we're gonna grab this single bag. So this thing says Meowth. Back here, leave these Lego people to the side. Let's open this. Oh my god. A brick tie end. Okay, so let's get all these open. Okay, try not to lose any pieces. I lost 1. I lost 2. Yeah, laugh and laugh and laugh. So first we got the back of its head. And this is what it'll look like. Everything is actually Lego, so I'm gonna try to build it close. And now. You put this on this, like this. Okay, let's put it like this. This is what it's gonna look like. Then we're gonna get its face. We're gonna get its face right here and put it in between here. Okay. Look at this. But we're not done. You see this piece? We put it here. Like that. Then we're supposed to add this there. But you know what's missing? Legs. Oh no. I messed this up. Wait. Okay. Let's see. We have some feet here. Let's see. We have to add this. Look at this. This is just one leg. Let's add the other. So like that. We have another thing that looks like a bubble piece. Then we put it... Oh no, I think I broke its foot again. Oh no, wait. Oh, I never broke a foot. I keep dropping the beam Lego. So. Huh? Oh, and that's my brother Asher. He just woke up from his nap. So, let's see. Let's add the back here. This is what it's gonna look like. And we put it here. Look at our Meowth. Oh, how cool does he look? But he's not finished. Still got... Ah! Okay. Put this piece together. Right over here. Then, over here, I do this. But I'm not done. Let me add these on. It's something really important. Look. Ah. Let's add this one on the other side. And then we'll see you have these. Then, you put these on the Meowth. They're almost done. Now, after you do this, you have to add one last thing. You have to add this. Oh, I'm finished. Oh, so let's back up and you can see them. Okay, that's a little too far away. So, this is what they all look like. Whoops. Okay, so, like that. That is how you build all of these things. I'm going to have to set them up. Okay, he's sneaking. So, this is what it's going to look like. Seriously! I literally just pointed the phone at it and look. They fell over. Okay. Let's show it one more time. This is what it looks like.
If you really like this video,
please come to my other ones. Bye!